Thank you for joining me. I hope you really find this useful in this stressful time that we're going through. Do what you can through the practice. Listen to your body. If something doesn't work for you, don't force it. We're going to start with a classical Sun Salutation because this really enables us to find and utilise the breath. It really gets us drawing deep as we bring the arms up, and as we fold forward, we exhale out. So let's get to the top of the mat. We'll stand feet hip width apart, hands resting down by the side. Draw in the belly, soften the shoulders. Remember, head over heart, heart over pelvis. So you don't want to stick your bum out or the pelvis coming too forward. Breathe here. Take a big breath in through the nose. And let it all out on the exhale. One more time. Feel that breath flowing through the tips of the nostrils. Big breath out. Okay, let's take our hands all the way up to the sky. So send that heart upwards. Big breath in here, everybody. And then we're going to bend the knees, lower down, gently the head to the floor, coming into our forward fold. You can twist gently side to side. Take a big breath in, big breath out. And from here now, we're going to straighten the legs. The hands come up underneath the knees, and we're going to have a flat back and our gaze looks forward. We're going to breathe in here and exhale, bend the knees because we're starting our practice, and then exhale, forward fold. This time step the left foot right to the back of the mat, the right foot forwards, and then reach up, lengthen from the hip, inhale, lift. Breathe here. Exhale, hands come back down. Good. We're going to inhale, stepping into high plank. Take a breath here. Exhale, drop the knees. And we're going to gently lower the chest to the floor to take our baby cobra. Elbows squeezed into the side. Soften the feet down. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, come onto all fours. Push back to child's pose. So knees wide into the outer edges of the mat to start. Hips sink back down. Hands come forward, extended child's pose. Breathe in here. Exhale, send the hands to the top of the mat. Curl the toes, downward facing dog. If you don't want to, we can come into puppy pose if we don't have access to downward facing dog today. So inhale, lift. Again, pedal out the knees. Keep that spine nice and long. Hug in the armpits. Hug the ribs to the back of the spine. Lift the hip creases really high up. Good. Okay, and then step the right foot through to the top of the mat. If you need to grab hold behind the knee, do so. Step through. Big breathe in, breath in. Exhale, coming into forward fold. So step the left foot to meet the right. Let them soften. And breathe in, nice and gradually. Root to rise and root the feet. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands to heart center. Good, well done. All right, let's go again. Inhale, lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Flat back. Exhale, back down. This time the right foot steps back. Drop the right knee. Take a breath in as we reach up, lengthen from the hip. Breathe here, you can soften the right toe down. Feel that goodness, that yumminess creeping inside of you as you lengthen. Drawing in the breath, exhale back. Inhale, high plank. So we step the left foot back, coming into a strong high plank. Stack the joints over one another. Drop the knees. Good. Lower the chest as you exhale. Inhale, soften the toes. Lift, baby cobra, but with hands up in the air. Exhale. Inhale, push back, child's pose. And exhale up. Inhale, either puppy pose or downward facing dog. Lengthen. Good. And then let's step the left foot to the top of the mat. Again, if you find this tricky, grab hold, bring it round. Find your center, find your core, soften, inhale, lift. Exhale to the top of the mat, hands come down. Right foot joins the left, forward fold. Root the feet down, vertebra by vertebra, peel up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands to heart center. Good. Beautiful. Thank you so much, my friends. I know we're going through a really stressful time at the moment. So please, if you want to access any of my classes, you can do. I will send that information online for my full life classes on a Wednesday with me, and then Point and Fitness on a Monday and a Friday. So please please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll be sending a lot more of these videos out. So we've done a classical Sun Salutation, really great to energize you for the rest of the day. So thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you again really soon. Namaste. I'm going to go switch off.